A new 30-unit housing proposal in Bangor promises to provide some key services and shelter for those experiencing homelessness there. The plan comes after the city's largest homeless encampment closed late last year, and plans to open another housing options have fallen behind. News and Main's Christian Harsa has more on what the potential advocates feel the new housing plan holds.
We can provide housing for someone with a voucher for $900 a month. That is way cheaper than providing services for someone who's chronically homeless for $900 a day.
BangorHousing and Preble Street are collaborating to create a new housing facility that offers permanent housing to those in need.
It's going to have an impact that we've never been able to make before.
The new project will also offer 24/7 support from social workers, a model Allie Lovejoy at Preble Street says has worked in Portland for 20 years.
If you provide them with safe housing, if you provide them with the supports that they need, they can be successful.
She says more people in stable housing led to a decline in calls to the police and emergency room visits.
The benefit to both the individual and the community was immediately tangible.
Benefits. BangorHousing's Mike Myatt expects to continue.
I think people are going to notice the reduction in homelessness in their communities once this thing is built.
Having social support in-house can help create a connection.
And sometimes that's all it takes is that connection.
Running the Bangor homeless shelter, Boyd Cronholm says the need for housing is high.
There's people in both shelters and people unsheltered who could use places to be in permanent type housing.
Cronholm says permanent housing with support cuts down the risk of missing appointments.
This gives them an opportunity for somebody to come right to that program and say, here I am, you're in apartment B, I'll go knock on your door and we'll have our session.
Having housing also gives tenants back time.
The staff who are on site are helping people fill that void with things that are promote health and wellness and stability.
The housing project in Bangor is one of 5 in the works, with others planned for Portland, Sanford, Augusta, and Auburn.
Really do think that this is a game changer for the state of Maine.
After a site is located, construction is expected to begin in early 2026, with the first residents anticipated to move in the year after. In Bangor, Christian Harsa, News Center, Maine.